My name is Josh and I'm a graduate data scientist at InfraBuild. So I started off doing my bachelor's in IT and business, which initially got me into the graduate role here. And now I've moved on to a master's in data science. So I've moved from some systems engineering to developing more granular data solutions like pipelines and machine learning models. I love being able to take a whole bunch of data and kind of derive some information from it that essentially enables us to either improve some sort of efficiency or save costs. There's a lot of information to be gained if we employ these data science techniques. We've got a lot of different data sources in manufacturing and a lot of different locations that we need to pull it from. Being able to wrangle it all together, clean it, transform it, and put it into a format that makes sense to us has been a really good accomplishment. So it gives insights. It's essentially telling them where the opportunities for gains are and put it into a way that makes sense. My managers and leaders have really helped develop me professionally, as well as develop me into the manufacturing industry. It definitely helps to have people that can support me. The graduate program here at InfraBuild has given me the tools and experience necessary to really excel in my career in the future.